get you.
Go ahead, Woody, try to climb up him again.
For him to do that, you have to like that. With that point, she's just trying to get, you know, as much skin as she can. She's like, hey, I know what you did. You just hold your arm down so that way she can climb up you again.
She's like, no, give it to me.
You heard that.
Oh my God, Woody. I don't think she wants to climb me anymore. I think she just wants to attack. Oh my God. Yeah, I think she's done trying to climb you. I think now she's just in attack mode. She's like, I'm just cute. I didn't do anything.
She was trying to climb him because she was trying to attack him. What, you gotta get higher.
It's like, what the fuck are you doing to me now? It's like, yeah. It's like, I don't want to climb anymore. I just want to attack whatever I have in my hands.
She's a cat. She'll get what she can get.
Yeah, I think it's just because your brother's afraid to have her, like, go crazy.
Where you going to work? Oh, okay. That's where she was planning there.
This Monster Hunter 4 Ultimate, like the condition of it, almost looks brand new.
Oh.